Good morning folks, today I'm going to walk you around this 2017 Toyota CHR. It's a 1.8 petrol hybrid engine. If you're looking to save some money on fuel, if you're doing a good lot of commuting day today, this self-charging CHR is definitely the vehicle for you. Doing roughly around 62-63 miles per gallon, and the road tax is as little as 180 per annum. Just have a walk around it and see what you think. We've got front fog lights, 17-inch alloys. You've got the two-tone colour. You have your reversing camera here. And you've got a decent boot size as well. Now on the inside, as you can see, they're very spacious. You've got your multifunction steering wheel. You've got your Bluetooth here to the left with voice control. You've got your cruise control, adjustable cruise control. You've also got your 7-inch touchscreen display. You have another useful feature we actually have on it is your lane departure. So basically if you go out over the lane, it pulls itself back in. You also have your diamond finish on the doors and on the ceiling, which is a nice added touch to it. If you're interested in this Toyota CHR, you can drive out here in it for as little as €92 per week. We've got plenty more stock here, so just drop in and speak to the sales team.